Hello everyone, it's your Street Ninja here, and in this video, well, pretty much it is Beesmas V2, okay? I've been wanting to make a video about this, but since the update wasn't too large, I thought that I'd just combine it as well as finishing the first Snowbear quest, okay? So, pretty much what happened is, she added 5 more quests, okay, to get that skin. That's actually what I was expecting, that you're gonna get the Cubby with the skin or something, and like he just forgot to make the skin, but no. And you also have to finish all 5 of those before you can even fight. No, not fight. Complete like even see BBM's quest. You need to complete all of those. So I mean, fairly annoying, not gonna lie, but it's cool. It's cool. I think I did that properly. Okay, so you got the point, right? So pretty much, let me just go down here, kill the werewolf. Okay, let's see how this goes. Should be a fairly easy fight. Cause it's, come on, guys. Why would it not be? Oh, I have 500 snowflakes. Let's go. That's great. I am really rich in terms of snowflakes. I don't even know how I get that much. Like, I just get like boat loads of them. I don't even know how. Nice, nice. This is some really nice stuff, honestly. I like this. Drops are great. Only at the coconut thing though. Nope, wrong one. Sim fun. Too stressful. Ah, I was so close. One. Okay. Yeah, let's just see what happens. What? Hey, nice. Okay then. What? Let's see anything too hard. So, black bear's honey wreath. Okay, snow bear. Boof. Yeah, that snow bear is kind of annoying, honestly. Other than that, doesn't look like it. No. So we have tokens from Sprout, so I have to grind that a little bit. Honey wreath. One, king beetle. Just get that done. Bomb tokens, that's easy. Candy planters. Biff puffs. And a gingerbread. And a bit of treats, I'm fine. That's nice, that's fairly easy. It's on the easier side of things. Big goo. Guess like a boost in, probably, I would probably just do like a simple rose boost. That gives me the billion. And then, you know, something along those lines. I also have the nectar that I can use whenever I want. And just like, you know, do that. It's fairly simple. 16 hours, satisfying. I'm gonna check which fields give satisfying nectar for me. And yeah, it feels fairly simple. Good. Free stuff. I don't actually use my gingerbread, like I just feed them to my bees. I'm trying to get my photon bee gifted. I mean, the odds are saying that it won't happen, but like, and yeah, it didn't. Demon beat 12. Trying to get that as well as. What's the quest? Is it pineapple? No, that's annoying, man. This is annoying. Just get my rad bee. We get that carpenter. Why not? Just give that 100. Okay, then why not just give it all? And that still didn't do it. This is great. I Okay, I still didn't finish the quest. I have to feed 20 neon berries to my bees. Just get that done. 20 neon berries. Just give that to like, you know that bee? Forgot what it's called. Demon. Give it to demon. One, two. They make this so annoying. Like, why is this just so frustrating? They should make this so much easier. 6. I think 7. Oops. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. There, thank God. That's done. Then a little bit of bitter berries, that should be fairly easy. And I mean, I have like some puffs. I need candy planters and rose planters. Again, fairly easy. And that, so like, I'll at least take like, what, 2 days on this? So I have like 2 days to get everything done. It's possible. I'd say that the hardest part is the snow bear, just because it is so frustrating. But honestly, I'm gonna try to just get like a little bit on it. Just, you know, click a little bit of tokens. Just because it may be a bit easy. I have to kill it. If I kill it, that'd be great, but like, I don't even think it calls it that this is from Snow Bear. Like, if they're just snowflakes on the field. I don't even know if that was from Snow Bear. Because those are just really random snowflakes. Oh god. This is way too hard. Why is this so hard? Oh my god. Okay, thank god, finally. Okay, so I at least can get to like a quarter or so. Which still is like an infinite supply of snowflakes. Like, if I can at least get it to like the quarter mark, I'm still fine. Like, I can chill with that, I'm cool. 13. That's nice, I mean, and I just have to kill it once. Take it. Damage ideal. Okay, it's still gonna take a bit though. What do you mean? It can happen. Okay, then don't forget to like and subscribe and keep on gaming.